Welcome to Gentle Petal. My name is Hiromi. My practice is about being connected and to define what is it to live together harmoniously. This residency is entitled Gentle Petal. The reason why I use the word Hanabira as gentle petal is not sharing Japanese language or such. It's a perspective. Gentle petal is not just gentle petal. There are other perspectives. It's celebration of collectiveness, introducing new perspectives and multi-layer holistic way we coexist. That brings into the gentle petal Hanabira for science, art, nature, culture, health, collaboration.
We began conversations with Hiromi midway through 2023 during the curatorial development for our exhibition Rearranged Art of the Flower. Rearranged features over 20 artists who are intrigued and inspired by flowers, but also personally connected to Brisbane. The more we spoke with Hiromi, the more we realised that the project we could develop together would be better suited for our Artist in Residence program. The focus of our Artist in Residence program is more so on process instead of outcome and artist and community engagement. Together with Hiromi, we dreamed of a residency that was a garden of sorts and could be transformed and grown over time through community contribution. At the end of last year, Hiromi came on site to the museum and facilitated 2 tea and talk sessions. The conversations that emerged from those sessions became the basis of what is now Hanabira, Gentle Petal. Following the sessions, we had more conversations with Hiromi and Aunty Raelene, and together developed the 3 flowers that became the stimuli for the project. So those are Brisbane wattle, tulip wood, and native hibiscus. All of these species have long held significance to this place, and working together with the rest of the museum team, we really drew on the warm palette of those flowers to develop the exhibition design.
We make project with donated fabric, which everyone carries some memory. It is not discarded rubbish, something of the personal memory.
There was this instant connection between Hiromi and myself, and just such a joy. Her whole persona is just so colourful and vibrant. When the choice of title was made, what was wonderful is the Hanabira. To me, I thought about the 3 species that were suggested for the actual showing. The native hibiscus is quite a barbed, elongated type leaf, but what's interesting is it produces the most delicate flower in a variety of exquisite colours. The Brisbane wattle was used for medicinal purposes as well as the beauty of it. It's a very lovely shrub, tree. Tulip wood was a tree that had been in Brisbane for a long, long time. It's an interesting tree because you actually see the hybrid of it now growing along, not just the waterways as it was and commonly seen, but there's a hybrid variety now that's grown for streetscapes.
Professor David Craig, around 30 years ago, discovered of this incredible, super stable structure to be able to create medicine. And if you find that structure in nature, we could also put some medicine into the plant so that medicine is more affordable and accessible and sustainable, green medicine.
We dare to imagine a world where we can grow the next generation of medicines in plants. So our team is working to re-engineer cyclotides and to put them back into plants, where we can grow the next generation of medicines in plants. This pepper family with the cyclic backbone was first discovered in plants from Africa, and the very first peptide Its name is called Kata B1, and it was discovered back in the 70s. And Professor David Craig discovered the very unique structure and realized that it's ultra stable that can be applied to future medicinal treatment as a re-engineering scaffold. So what we do in our research group is to introduce new activity by re-engineering new peptide epitope into different loops of this peptide, where it can introduce new activity, including anti-cancer, anti-obesity. We imagine that we can put these peptides, because they are originally from the plants, back into the plants, but with a new activity. So we imagine the next medical treatment can be as easy as drinking a cup of tea.
My hope to this project and community members, here again, may I call you as artist? Each participants, you are artist. You are gentle petal. So I would like you to engage with this project. I would love you to be gentle petal. Whatever gentle petal would it be, it's completely up to you. Hopefully you are kind, but it is my hope. I want you to feel safe. I want you to grow healthy. I want you to be free.